Welcome back, my friends, to another job lead video. If you are new here, my name is Lindsay and I am always searching the internet and bringing you the best work from home job leads available. I post job leads daily, sometimes multiple times a day, so make sure your notifications are turned on so you never miss another job lead as soon as it is uploaded. Also, if you enjoy these job leads, please make sure you give me a thumbs up like button because that gives me direct feedback that you are enjoying the job leads that I am providing and that it is helpful to someone. But with that being said, we will keep this short, sweet, and to the point. We have a very fun one today. Underdog Fantasy is an app and it is available both on the App Store and Google Play, so iPhone and Android iOS, and it is a sports betting app. They are hiring a paid social specialist. So a little bit about Underdog. It says they're trying to create awesome products and also grow the culture of passion, ownership, and fun. They believe that great companies are made out of great people, and so they are looking for a paid social specialist to be driving and managing their digital advertising strategies across all their social platforms, including TikTok, Google Ads, Apple Ads, and Underdog is a US-based company, and they don't have any sponsorships available right now for this position for international. So this is for my US-based subscribers and viewers only. But they are looking for someone to develop the full life cycle marketing strategies and lead the implementation of their social media advertising campaigns for TikTok, Google Ads, and Apple Ads specifically. They are looking for someone to monitor campaign performance and provide actionable analysis and give recommendations. They want someone to manage their social media budget and report performance. They want to work with the creative team to develop social media advertising content, keep up with the current trends, and share actionable learnings with the team, and plan timelines and deliverables for social media advertising strategies. Now, this position does not require any kind of degree whatsoever. They just ask that you have 5 to 10 years experience running full life cycle social media campaigns for TikTok, Google Ads, or Apple Ads, that you have knowledge of current social media trends, that you're highly curious and you're interested in asking questions, speaking up, and raising concerns. They want someone who is self-directing and has the ability to push things forward, and someone who also is creative with strong written and verbal communication skills. It is a plus if you have an interest in sports, but it says they will teach you about sports, so that does not matter. They do offer quite a few benefits, including 16 weeks of paid parental leave. It says unlimited PTO, health, dental, vision plans. They offer a $500 home office allowance to set your home office up, and we are all interested in the remote position, but they do offer in-person or hybrid scheduling if you are not a remote person, but this is listed in several places as a remote position. And the best part of all about this fun, cool job is the salary. It pays anywhere from $80,000 to $110,000 a year. That is depending on experience. I say this in a lot of my videos, but skills and experience trump degrees every time. It is very possible to get positions that pay very high salaries without having to have a college degree, and this is just proof of that. If you do not have the social media marketing skills that this job requires, no fear. I will be back very soon with another job lead, and I will keep my eye open for very high-paying jobs that don't require degrees, that have different skills like customer service. I'm just trying to find something for everyone. But if you have made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back very soon with another work from home job lead for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.